In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear mud flaps on your Toyota Tacoma located behind the rear wheels. On the left rear, we're going to use a 21mm socket to loosen and remove our lug nuts. Go ahead and grab your wheel, remove it, and set it aside. And on the back side of the mud flap, we're going to locate a 10mm bolt. You can also use a Phillips head screwdriver. Use that 10mm socket, loosen, and remove. On the other side of the splash shield here, you're going to locate 4 10mm screws. Loosen and remove those. And remove the splash shield. Before installing the mud flap, it's always best to go ahead and clean up any dirt and debris that's there. Okay, line up the flap, and we're going to get our 4 inner bolts started. Now once you have these 4 started, I'm just going to reach around the other side and get the 5th one threaded in. That way there we know everything lines up perfect. And then we'll go ahead and snug them down. Now when tightening these here, you just want to snug them down. That's why I switched over to a lighter weight tool here. And then we'll tighten down that last one on the back. Then we want to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side. Grab your wheel, bring it up, set it onto the studs, and we'll get our lug nuts started. All right, let's go ahead and torque it down. Now I want to go ahead and torque down our lug nuts to 83 foot-pounds. When doing so, it's best to do this in a crisscross or star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.